What is going on, everybody? It is Dave in here helping you play creatively. Recently, I have noticed this trend among so many beginner piano players, even piano players that have been playing for a while, and that is this. We're just thinking about notes. We're just thinking about chords, arpeggios, even advanced ideas like chord substitutions and passing chords. All right, but they're just notes, and there's so much more to music than only notes. When I first started off in my music journey, I actually started off as a drummer. And when I went to drum lessons, one of the first things my teacher required was that I learned different rhythms. He wanted me to understand a word that piano players never really use, and that is the groove. It is so important to understand the groove. Today I'm going to give you a groove that I think will help you in your piano playing journey. Let's get right to it. This is the groove we're going to learn today. All right, it's a little funky and I like it. So here's some steps to understand this groove. All right, the first step is this. We're playing a G flat 9 chord, okay? And then we're having this pattern. All right, that's the first step, okay? And the pattern is really left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. All right, that's the first step. The second step is this. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm walking up from the A flat. I'm playing a D flat second inversion in my right hand, playing a B flat in my left. In my right hand, I play an A flat, then a D flat. Left hand, right, left, right, right. Let's put the first two together. Ooh, I like that already. That's actually a groove by itself. And then we have the third step in this groove, which is this one. All right, in my left hand, I am playing an E flat, then a B flat, both in my left hand. And then I'm walking down with an E flat in second inversion, D flat second inversion, and then I'm just going down in different inversions between E flat minor and D flat major, okay? So. And before I play the last two notes in my right hand, I slip another E flat in there. So left, left, left. Okay? Now let's put it all together. Let's do it even a little bit slower. right? Learn that groove and then add some speed to it, all right? And I think it's gonna help you grow in just learning how to groove on the piano. That's absolutely essential. Every time I talk to many people who like my playing, They say that that is one of the differences between me, especially in the Christian contemporary world, unfortunately, and so many other piano players, is that they're not thinking about the groove. So begin to think about it. With that being said, if you want to grow in your piano playing journey, you want to learn more piano riffs that will help you groove better, certainly check out the links above me and in the description below. I have an entire course on worship piano riffs, and I think it'll be helpful for you. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.